kukunin ko muna si Sam. Doon kina Rovi, Filipina friend ko. Doon natulog kasi si Sam kagabi. So, kuhanin namin ngayon. Kasama ko si Gabriel at saka si Shelton.
Oh, Sarah's crock was inside the car.
Yeah.
Why do you have your phone? Oh, for your YouTube channel.
Yeah. At saka si Gabriel ay dito rin natulog kagabi sa bahay. Sleepover. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Shelton, I have to close the door.
Okay.
Buckle up, Sawyer.
Oh.
And buckle up.
Oh, okay.
Hold up, I have to.
Ito na si Sam, guys.
All I'm gonna get is a
Nakuha na
cake.
namin.
For on the trampoline, I did this.
Kakain pala kami dito sa China buffet, guys. Tapos, yung suot ko Crocs. Kakala ko diretso kami sa Costco. Hindi pala. So, kakain muna kami. Tapos, pupunta kami ng Costco para mag-grocery ng fruits. Kasi wala na naman kami fruits, guys. Talkative si Sawyer, oh. Naiwan namin yung susi ng sasakyan. Ha?
I left my hat. Daddy left his phone.
Oh!
You left your phone. I left my phone. You left.
It's still on the table?
Yeah, it was still on the table.
Okay, get in now. Sawyer, get in.
And
Get in.
water.
That's... Sulit ko na to, guys, yung aking Calvin Klein na bra na malaki. And how I can return this?
You have to go through here.
And then they will give me what?
We'll go here first because I'm going to go through.
Okay.
They'll just give you a,
You.
probably a credit back.
Ah, okay. We're gonna get mango.
You just have to.
Ayan. Pa-out na kami, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dahil sobrang bad mood si Sawyer kanina. Yan ang aming pinamili. Isang basket.
Have the receipt.
Yeah. Ay, grabe, guys. Sobrang init na dito. 84 degrees. Grabe. Wala na yung lamig.
Bro, it's just sissies.
Tapos na kami dito sa Costco. Where's the receipt, hon?
Hey, Dad.
Diba rin, Tini?
Left.
Yun.
It's gone.
Ang haba ng aming receipt.
Why?
Okay, come on.
Magpalamig muna kami, guys. Dito kami sa Starbucks. Pasok na kami sa loob. So, magpapalamig muna kami. Come on. Uy, Sam. Don't be like that girl. Unhook Sawyer.
Carry me.
Oh, no. Hell
He used
no.
to do that. That's why I used to fall asleep.
My back is hurting. I'm not younger anymore. Sissy, come
I
on.
can't wait to have a
Unhook.
boyfriend. He'll carry me every day.
Oh my gosh.
When I grow up.
Basta unhook.
Oh
Oh my god. She said she can't wait to have a boyfriend. No way, Jose.
He can carry me when I'm a teenager.
Oh my gosh.
Dad will carry me. You can't.
I can't carry you because maybe Shelton.
How can Shelton carry? How can you carry Sawyer?
Because Sawyer, I can handle him because he's little. You're a big girl. How many kilos are you? Maybe 35? Oh, let's open the door for this boy. Chillax, so you're chillax. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, malapit na siyang ano sa akin. Same thing. Frappuccino, Oreo, crunchy, something. Sam, how about you? You want the same way drink?
Very refreshing.
How about a different one?
No, that was the best one for me.
Best one. Are you
Call
kidding?
Marilla.
Huh?
Because you said you would call about the bunny or something.
You already called yesterday.
Is the Oreo Frappuccino good?
Yep.
I got the same thing as you, and I got a Kit Kat. No, I didn't even know which one this was.
Nag-asara na naman yung dalawa guys. I don't know.
Try it.
Okay, ito na yung drinks namin.
Oh my god, it's so good.
It's cold.
I want to go pet it right now. I need to get this every single time I go.
Mocha cookie crumble. Samantha is same thing all the time. We ordered a strawberry. What is it? Strawberry. Yeah. Amazing. Oh, it looks like the same. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Yeah? Go. Can you get his drink, please, Sam?
Sire, if the thing, it will come back if you go in your car seat.
Oh, leave me, Daddy, leave me because he's not in the car seat. Shelton, put him in the car seat, Shelton.
Look, it's back
Put him in the
again.
car seat.
That kind of back again.
Yeah. Will you do me a favor?
It's back right there.
Hold on. Why can't, hold on.
Look right there.
Hold on.
What's back?
If you have to leave because Sire's not going in the car seat, it's not even good.
Can you throw this stuff in the garbage can? Just these
Go in the
three.
car seat. It's going to be leaving. Come on.
Anybody need to pee before we go?
No.
Shelton's gonna pee.
Okay, dito ako guys sa nandito ako sa Albertson. Titingnan ko kung may mga sale ba na steak. Tingnan natin. Pork chop, steak, T-bone. Oh no. Hindi siya sale. So, hindi ako bibili pag hindi sale. Kung hindi siya sale, hindi ako bibili. Kasi mahal. Hindi ako bumili ng steak guys dahil mahal pa. So, nakabili ako ng tea ni asawa. Zero sugar. Ito yung lagi niyang hinahanap doon sa Walmart. Pero, hindi namin mahanap. Dahil nagkaubusan. So ngayon, mayroong akong nakita, kaya bibilhin ko to. Okay, 5 lang yung tira-tira. So, 5 lang din yung bibilhin ko. Oh no, make me do somebody. Bibili ako ng carrots guys. Pili tayo ng medyo malaki-laki kasi maliliit yung dito. Ito ito maganda to. Mahal yung carrots nila, $2.69. At saka bibili tayo ng cabbage para sa ating pansit. Magkano ba yan? 99 cents per pound. 99 cents per pound ang kanilang cabbage. Ay, yung mais pangit. Hindi ako bibili. Mura lang yung mais. $5. 5 for $1. Pero hindi ako bibili. Dahil mahal. Dahil pangit. Wala masyadong laman. Mura siya pero wala masyadong laman yung mais. So, ito lang yung bibilhin ko, guys. Carrots, cabbage, at saka yung tea ni asawa. So, check out na tayo.
I think she just doesn't want to help us.
Okay, guys. We are going to put these groceries inside the house.
You got more of those Pepsi?
This is milk. This is milk.
So this is
Maglagay muna kami, guys, ng mga grocery sa loob ng bahay. Mamaya ko na siya i-video. Din pala siya ng 2 box ng kanyang yogurt. Ito. So, ayan. Empty na, guys. Tulog si Sawyer. Kailangan ko siyang kunin. Napagod. Ipasok ko na siya at patulugin sa loob. Napasok na lahat, guys, ng groceries. Yung iba nasa sa labas ng refrigerator. Ito pala yung mga binili namin doon sa Costco. Mangga, 2 mangga, tapos mayroong shampoo at conditioner. Strawberry na 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 to siya. Kaya lang kinain na yung isa. Tapos mayroong raspberry. Ayan, raspberry. Mayroong blueberries. Mayroong mandarin. Mayroong apple na Fuji. Ayan. Orange, mandarin. Sunkist pala ito siya, guys. Ayan, Sunkist. Ito, Sunkist. Ayan. Orange. Ito yung orange. Ayan. Banana. Hala, napislat yung banana. Oh. Yung snacks ng mga bata. Ayan. Yung frozen na shrimp. Tapos, ito siya, guys, ay sale sa, tawag dito sa Costco. $12.99 na lang siya. 16 bars. Mura na siya. Tapos, 2 yung binili ko, guys. Yan. Para dalhin ko to sa Pinas. Tapos, mayroon pang, guys, mayroon pang green beans. Broccoli. Ito yung spring mix. Yan. Spring mix. Mayroong lemon. 3 lemon to, guys. Kasi every day, ini-squeeze to ni asawa. Tapos iniinom niya. Tapos lagyan niya ng cayenne pepper. Tapos mayroong hamburger. Mayroong fries. Mayroong egg sandwich.
oh, that's kind of
Yeah, I have to put this one in the refrigerator. Tapos mayroong turkey burger. Mahal nito, guys. Pati yung burger na ito, mahal. Ito, $26.99 ito siya. Ayan. Tapos mayroong garlic dip, organic hummus. Is it hummus, Han? Hummus?
Yeah, that makes me a refrigerator too.
Yeah, I will put it after this. Tapos mayroong dill pickle. Ayan.
If I give you iPhone serial number, can you tell me what model it is?
Tapos mayroong asparagus. Paborito namin to, guys, asparagus. Tapos mayroong jalapeno na meat sticks. Yan. Tapos, crispy and tempura seaweed snacks. Yan, seaweed snacks. Tapos, meron pang pumpkin seeds, unsalted butter. Ito guys, na-exchange ko na yung nabili ko nung nakaraan. From medium to small. 19.99 to siya guys. Para dalawa. Sa dalawa. Yan. Dalawa yung binili ko. Yan. Yung parang blue and white. Beige ba tawag ito? Tapos, eto, black. Yan. 4. Ito siya guys. Bra. Yan. Lagay ko muna dito sa baba. Sa ituan. Yan. Tapos, bumili ako ng Downy. Itong Colgate na toothpaste. Dalhin ko siya sa Pinas. Dahan-dahan ako bumili guys para dalhin namin sa Pinas. Tapos, Foot Loops. Ang saman ba to? Ay, istak sa mga bata. Among ko basta candy siya. Bumili din ako ng shave gel. Dalhin din namin ito sa Pinas. Tapos, ito ay $29.99. Nag-sale siya ng $21. $21.99. Kaya bumili na kami. At mangga. Ayan. Dalawang ganito guys. Dalawang box ng mangga. So, ito lahat guys, napuno yung aming dining table ng groceries. Ilagay ko muna to siya guys sa mga lalagyan at sa refrigerator at freezer para hindi siya masira. Lahat ng grocery namin guys, $613. Andito kalagay. Ang mahal na talaga ngayon ng mga grocery guys. So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang nahugasan. Ayan, basa pa siya. Pinatuyo ko muna siya, guys. Para mailagay ko na siya sa Tupperware. Ito nalagay ko na sa Tupperware. Pero, kailangan ko pa siyang patuyuin ng maigi. Para hindi madaling masira.